the position function. Let's say position function. After t seconds, where will be particle, where will be any moving object? This is position function. When you take the derivative of the position, okay, it is called velocity. So when you take the derivative of the position function, it is called velocity. When you take the derivative of velocity, it is called acceleration. What does it mean, acceleration? Instantaneous rate of change of the velocity. At that moment, what is the velocity? So what I want you, just memorize this one, guys. V prime at t, which is called, by the way, no need to write position vector here, better to write, this is something as another formula. AT is here, AT means acceleration. Okay, so acceleration is derivative of the velocity. Let us memorize this. So what is the acceleration? Acceleration is derivative of the velocity. So now let's have a look. Suppose that the height of a skydiver t seconds after the jumping from an airplane is given by this. Till here, is anything, any question? What does it mean, this ft? Someone is here up, let's say, in plane or any high building, jumping down. So it's high, it's getting drop, it's getting decreasing. So find the person's acceleration at time t. Now, what are we going to do? The first thing is, my dear students, when you have the position vector, when you have the position, okay, or displacement we can call in physics, okay, this is given. How this is given? Let's have a look again. In the question, this is given. 640 minus 20, 16t squared. Now, this is given. Now, when you take the derivative of the position vector or displacement vector, we call this is velocity. Any question for this? Derivative of the position vector, it is called velocity. So, what is the derivative of 640? Since this is a number derivative is 0. Minus 20 times t, like 20x derivative. What is 20x derivative? 20 times x derivative, which is just 20. So it's 20. And 16t squared, 16 comes in front. So 16 is a constant number we take out. And t squared derivative. And it will be 16 times 2 times t to the power of 2 minus 1, which is 32t. It is here. Now, this function is the first derivative of displacement function. We call this in physics, its velocity. Now, acceleration means derivative of the velocity. Since this is the velocity, to find the acceleration, we need the derivative of velocity. So derivative of negative 20 is 0. Negative of 32, the derivative is negative 32. So the velocity changes by negative 32 feet per second, and the speed in downward direction increases by 32 feet every second due to the gravity. Now, again, let me show you here. We are here. Each second, we go 32 feet down. Each second, we go 32 feet down. Okay? Now, this was the end of the slide if we don't have any questions.